Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This is Hassan Balaj. आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस को समझना इतना मुश्किल नहीं है, बस उसको रोज़मर्रा की ज़िंदगी के साथ सामान के साथ रिलेट करना पड़ेगा. What actually artificial intelligence is? Artificial intelligence is just like a computer that can think and make decisions just like human does. How human take decisions? Pick the book, read the title, and try to guess either it is boring or interesting, even though without learning or reading it completely. This is called human judgment. Comes on the base of the past experiences. The same case applies with artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence take your words, analyzes one by one, and try to give the most logical answer behalf on the data which it is being trained. So in this both cases, in the human tell the things behalf of its past experience. However, artificial intelligence tells the things based on the data which it is being trained. This is what human and artificial intelligence are related to each other. This is why we say that artificial intelligence is just like human, can think and take decision just like human does.